with center at the origin. There are 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant and this is second quadrant, next third quadrant and then fourth quadrant. We start from here taking theta as the standard angle. This position is 0 degree and then this is 90 degree and then this is 180 degree and then this is 270 degree and then after one rotation we get this is 360 degree. So after the rotation we get 0 and 360 in the same position. We know that there are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. In first quadrant all are positive. In second quadrant only sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. In third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot are positive. In fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal secant are positive. This is called ASTC rule. We can remember this easily like all students take chocolate. Here A denotes all in the first quadrant. S denotes sine in the second quadrant. T denotes tan in the third quadrant. And C denotes cos in the fourth quadrant respectively. For the horizontal line 0 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree there is no change. For 90 degree and 270 degree there is a change. Change means sine is changed as cos and cos is changed as sine. Similarly tan and cot are interchanged and secant and cosecant are interchanged. So for horizontal line there is no change. Only for the vertical line there is a change. Vertical line means 90 degree and 270 degree. Now let us write all the allied angles formulas very easily. First check the sign and then write the change. First take minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. All other functions are negative. So sine of minus theta in fourth quadrant sine is negative. So minus, there is no change. So sine theta. Cos of minus theta equal to in fourth quadrant cos is positive. So plus no change. So cos theta. Tan of minus theta equal to in fourth quadrant tan is negative. So minus no change. So tan theta. Next let us write 90 degree minus theta angles. 90 degree minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. 90 degree means there is a change. So sin 90 minus theta equal to first quadrant positive. Sin is changed as cos. So we get cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to first quadrant positive. Cos changed as sin. So sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to first quadrant positive. Tan changed as cot. So we get cot theta. Similarly next 90 plus theta. 90 degree plus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta are positive and all other functions are negative. So sin 90 plus theta, second quadrant sin is positive plus sin change it as cos. So cos theta. cos 90 plus theta equal to, in second quadrant cos is negative, so minus, there is a change, cos change it as sin, so we get sin theta. Tan 90 plus theta equal to, in second quadrant tan is negative, so minus, change tan as cot theta. Similarly, next 180 degree minus theta. This lies in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, sine and cosecant positive, all other functions negative. Sine 180 minus theta, second quadrant sine positive and no change, so plus sine theta. Cos 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative and no change, so we get the answer minus cos theta. Tan 180 minus theta, second quadrant tan is negative, so minus no change, so minus tan theta. Next 180 degree plus theta, this lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, all other functions are negative. And also 180 degree means no change. So sin 180 plus theta equal to third quadrant sin is negative and no change, so we get the answer minus sin theta. Cos 180 plus theta, this is third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative and also no change, so we get minus cos theta. Tan 180 plus theta, third quadrant tan is positive and also no change, so we get plus tan theta. Next 270 degree minus theta, this also lies in third quadrant. This is 270 degree minus theta, so this is third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive and others are negative. And remember, for 270 degree there is a change. So sin 270 minus theta, this is third quadrant. Third quadrant sin is negative and also change, so it will become cos theta. So the answer is minus cos theta. Cos 270 minus theta, this is third quadrant. Cos is negative and also change, so we get minus sin theta. Next tan 270 minus theta, third quadrant tan is positive and change tan as cot, so we get plus cot theta. Similarly, next 270 degree plus theta, this lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, other functions are negative. So sin 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sin is negative and also there is a change, so we have to change sin into cos, so we get the answer minus cos theta. Next cos 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant cos is positive and also change, so we get plus sin theta. Tan 270 plus theta, in fourth quadrant tan is negative and change tan into cot, so we get minus cot theta. Similarly 360 minus theta also lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, others are negative. Sin 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sin is negative and there is no change, so we get minus sin theta answer. Remember, for 360 degree no change. Next, cos 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive and no change, so the answer is plus cos theta. Next, tan 360 minus theta. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative and no change, so we get the answer minus tan theta. And finally, let us see 360 degree plus theta. 360 degree plus theta means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. And also 360 means no change. So sin 360 plus theta equal to first quadrant positive, no change, so plus sin theta. Cos 360 plus theta equal to first quadrant positive and no change, so plus cos theta. Tan 360 plus theta equal to first quadrant positive and no change, so we get the answer plus tan theta. In this way, we can remember all the allied angles formulas without memorizing them. Thanks for watching.